Hi, my name's Randy Morse. I live in Caslow, British Columbia. I am delighted to say that I've recently joined the team at Global Symphony for a United World. You're welcome. I am extremely excited about the fact that I'm heading up GSUW's new advisory committee. Why am I so excited about this, you may be asking? The reason is that I completely believe in the vision that Franciszek Struhl and Chantal Robert have brought to GSUW, that being that art can and must, in my opinion, play a role in helping heal not only a troubled planet, but so many individuals who occupy that planet. I know that you agree, and I'm sure many of you do as well, that much of what ills the world today, the trauma, the anger, the misogyny, stems from those very things that eat at us internally. And I firmly believe in the role art can play in helping to heal, not only us as individuals, but collectively our entire planet. And I'm very excited about the fact that an organization like GSUW, which I would have been excited to have been a part of had it been something founded in Toronto or Vancouver or Tokyo or New York, is actually based in the Slocan Valley right here in the West Kootenay region of British Columbia. I'm very proud of that fact. So, on balance, I guess I would sum up the fact that I am most excited about being a member of this organization because, and these are my words, not yours necessarily, I am looking forward to helping as many people as possible with GSUW become artists of life.